Sandy, I'll give you $5 you hop on this bike right now.
We're working at the dealership right now.
Hop on that bike right now, $5.
What bike? You can sit on anything you want.
Oh, for real?
Yes.
No fun.
Did you want to sit in that?
I don't want to now that you said I can.
Oh, we just picked up the exhaust. I would open it for you, but I'll open it when I get home.
I got some pliers for you. I'm opening it right now. Oh,
It's the other side. It's already open. So I guess he's gonna open it. He's gonna throw it on the
Hey,
ground.
be cool. I can't get it out. No, kid. Big cannon.
Oh, does it have the boot? Oh, no, I thought it did. But it's the FMF, the 4-core. I'll see you on the install. What's going on, YouTube? All right, so we got the FMF, the PowerCore 4. I wanted the 4.1, but they were out of stock, so it's whatever. But got the bike right here. I'm about to take this off, give y'all a quick time lapse, then I'm gonna get y'all a before and after of what it sounds like. Here's the FMF compared to the stock. As you can see, the FMF is a little bit longer, but the stock, it has a bigger body, and then the FMF has a shorter body, so it should be a little bit louder. Alright, so right now we're changing some oil on a pitter, right? Look at this. That is not supposed to be like that. Look. No bueno. So we're gonna change it right now. We got spark plug 2, spark plug oil change, basic maintenance. What's going on YouTube? So right now, well, as y'all seen, got the exhaust installed. It is a different day. I forgot to record an outro for it or whatever, but right now I'm gonna be installing my frame grips. They're from Core Grip. That's backwards, but whatever. Yeah, we're gonna install these. Give you a quick time lapse on that too. See y'all after. What's going on YouTube? Alright, so I got the grips on, as y'all seen. Bike looks good, man. I mean, most of the stuff that I'm doing, like the exhaust pipe and the frame grips and all that stuff, is just to make it more comfortable. It's not really to do it to look good. These grips are pretty much so your boots stick to the frame, so that's why I did it. I needed the muffler because I have to have the spark arrestor wherever I go ride. Certain parks, not everywhere, but I still need it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This is her as she sits. I know the lighting's a little bit off right now, but that's what it is. So it looks pretty good. Oh. Okay, man. Alright, man. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you watched, as far as more videos goes, more content. Right now, with the car stuff, it's pretty much at a halt because I've done everything that I want to do. Before I get my swap and everything going, which probably won't be for a while, but it is what it is. I'm gonna still be giving you guys a car meets, any activeness, whatever, but still waiting on my GoPro, so I probably won't be able to get any riding footage for you guys for a while, but it is what it is. Yeah, man, stay tuned. See you in the next video.